From ancient trade routes to modern kitchens, spices have always been more than just flavor. They are history, culture, and passion. But behind every great spice, there's often a story. Today, we uncover the extraordinary journey of a woman who transformed her love for spices into a global empire. Our story begins in a small, vibrant village, where the air was thick with the aroma of exotic spices. Here, a young woman, Anya, learned the secrets of her ancestors, the art of blending, the magic of aroma. She saw not just ingredients, but stories, traditions, and potential. With limited resources but boundless determination, Anya began her venture, grinding spices by hand, selling them in local markets. Her dream was simple yet profound: to share her heritage with the world. The journey was far from easy. Anya faced skepticism, financial hurdles, and competing with established players. Many told her it was a man's world, that her dreams were too big for her small village. But Anya possessed an unwavering spirit. She spent countless hours perfecting her blends, ensuring every pinch carried the essence of quality and tradition. She traveled to neighboring towns, carrying her precious cargo, building relationships one customer at a time. Her reputation for unparalleled quality and unique flavors slowly began to spread. Anya understood that tradition alone wouldn't suffice for a global vision. She embraced innovation, researching new packaging methods to preserve freshness and extend shelf life. She invested in sustainable sourcing, working directly with farmers to ensure fair practices and premium quality. Her small operation grew, moving from a village stall to a modest workshop, then to a small factory. She hired local women, empowering them with skills and opportunities, creating a ripple effect of prosperity. The turning point came when Anya secured her first international order. It was a small consignment, but it represented a giant leap. Navigating international logistics, customs, and cultural differences was a steep learning curve. She learned English, studied global market trends, and adapted her business model without compromising her core values. Her spices, once a local delicacy, were now gracing kitchens in distant lands, captivating palates. Word of Anya's exceptional spices and ethical business practices spread. Distributors and chefs from around the world sought her out. She established partnerships and built a robust supply chain and opened offices in key international cities. Her brand became synonymous with quality, authenticity, and social responsibility. The small village enterprise had blossomed into a global spice empire, with products reaching millions of homes. Anya's success was not just measured in profits, but in impact. She established foundations to support education and healthcare in her home village. She championed fair trade, ensuring that the farmers who grew her spices received equitable compensation. Her story became an inspiration, a testament to the power of perseverance, passion, and purpose. She proved that a woman from humble beginnings could indeed build an empire, not just of commerce, but of positive change. Today, Anya's spice empire continues to thrive, a vibrant legacy of flavor and fortitude. Her journey reminds us that true success is about more than just building a business. It's about enriching lives, preserving heritage, and leaving a lasting, fragrant mark on the world. The woman who built a global spice empire didn't just sell spices. She sold dreams, traditions, and a taste of home.